Everyone keeps talking about AI replacing jobs in the future, but I think most people are missing what's happening right now. The scary part isn't that AI is replacing humans, it's that AI is replacing the jobs that humans used to learn from. The entry-level jobs, the junior positions, and the repetitive work that traditionally humans used to learn from, gain experience, and build their skills. Because think about it, AI can now respond to emails, analyze data, write content, and automate admin work. So what happens to the people whose job it is to do those exact things? And this is creating a much bigger problem than people realize. Because if the bottom rung of the ladder disappears, then how does the next generation climb up? So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly which jobs are going to be affected first, why this shift is happening so fast, and most importantly, which skills are becoming more valuable in this AI economy. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Will Pham, and recently I just started up my own AI systems development business, Kano AI, where I help other businesses to streamline and optimize their business processes using AI-powered systems and workflows. So if you're a business owner and you want to save time on those tedious, boring admin tasks, then get in contact with me by commenting down below or DMing me on my Instagram, which will be linked in the description. Anyways, onto the video. Now look, this isn't one of those AI is coming to take over the world fear videos, because I actually think AI is one of the biggest opportunities our generation has ever seen. But at the same time, we need to be realistic about what's actually changing. For the last few decades, the traditional career path was fairly straightforward. You start off in some kind of junior role, doing repetitive work, learning the basics, making mistakes, and slowly gaining experience. And over time, you'd become more valuable. And this system existed in almost every industry. Junior marketers fixed emails, junior developers fixed bugs, assistants handled admin, analysts cleaned data, and support staff answered repetitive customer questions. It wasn't glamorous work, but this is how people learned. Now suddenly AI can do a large portion of that work faster, cheaper, and sometimes even better. And this changes the entire skill economy, because it's not just the big tech companies that this affects. It affects students, graduates, office workers, freelancers, small businesses, and pretty much anyone who does repetitive digital work. And the reason that this matters so much is because simply being able to do a task is becoming less valuable. What is becoming valuable is being able to understand systems, understanding how to solve problems, and understanding how to work with AI rather than against it. So first, let's talk about the exact type of jobs and tasks that AI is replacing right now. Now, when people hear AI is replacing jobs, they instantly start thinking about humanoid robots walking around factories in some crazy sci-fi future. But honestly, that's not where the biggest disruptions are happening right now. The first wave is happening on computers. It's digital work, especially repetitive digital work. Because AI is incredibly good at tasks that are repetitive, predictable, structured, language-based, and process-driven. And when you start looking around, you realize how many jobs contain those exact tasks. Think about customer support. A huge percentage of tickets are repetitive questions with repetitive answers. Things like, where's my order? How do I reset my password? What are your business hours? AI can already handle a massive amount of that instantly. Then there's admin work, scheduling meetings, updating CRMs, organizing spreadsheets, moving data between platforms. These type of workflows, AI automations are already beginning to take over. Even things like basic copywriting is changing very rapidly. Simple marketing emails, captions, product descriptions, blog outlines, sales outreach. A lot of entry-level content work is now being assisted or fully generated by AI systems. And we're also seeing this happening in data entry, transcription, research summarization, lead qualification, note-taking, reporting, internal documentation, basically work that follows a repeatable pattern. And this is important. AI doesn't need to replace an entire employee for hiring to be reduced. If one worker using AI can do the same workload as 3 junior employees, companies don't need to hire as many beginners anymore. That's the shift that a lot of people don't understand yet. And by the way, this doesn't mean humans are suddenly useless, but the humans whose only value comes from repetitive execution are becoming more vulnerable because AI is compressing the amount of labor needed for lower level digital tasks. But this leads to the real issue, which I think almost nobody is talking about enough. Here's the part that I think is genuinely concerning. Beginner jobs were never just about productivity. They were about training. They were an environment where people could learn how an industry actually worked. Think about a junior marketer, for example. Maybe they're writing emails and organizing campaigns. But while doing that, they're also learning consumer psychology, communication, branding, strategy, analytics. Or maybe a junior developer. Maybe they're fixing bugs and doing a lot of boring debugging work at first. But over time, they start understanding architecture, systems, and problem solving. Even assistants and admin workers. A lot of business operators started learning a company from being close to the day-to-day operations early on in their careers. The repetitive work was the entry point, the foundation layer, but now AI is absorbing that foundation layer. And this creates a weird problem, because how do people become experienced if they don't even get the opportunity to gain experience in the first place? Because you can't become a senior without first being a junior. And AI is removing that junior stage. And honestly, I feel like this is going to force society to rethink things like education, hiring, internships, skill development, even career progression itself. Because for decades, companies were accidentally training future talent through entry-level jobs, and now they're automating it away. And I think the people who will succeed in this new economy won't be the ones who can simply do tasks. It'll be the ones who actually understand why tasks are important, how systems connect together, and how to orchestrate AI to solve much larger problems. And that's why I think the most valuable skill in this AI era might not be a technical one. It might be systems thinking. So if repetitive executions are becoming less valuable, what's actually becoming more valuable? And I think the answer to that is systems thinking. And honestly, I think this is the biggest shift in the entire economy right now. Because AI is amazing at individual tasks, but humans still need to define goals, understand context, make decisions, oversee the outcomes, and solve messy, real-world problems. For example, an AI model might be really good at writing emails, but humans still need to design the customer journey, the lead pipeline, the automation logic, the follow-up strategy, and the business operations behind it all. And that is systems thinking. And this is exactly why I think people who know how to work with AI will become incredibly powerful. Because one person with strong systems thinking skills and AI tools can now operate at the level that used to require entire teams. And this is the opportunity side to this shift. The people who survive and thrive in this AI economy will be able to combine AI with communication skills, creativity, leadership, sales, judgment, adaptability, and strategic thinking. Because AI can generate information, but humans still need to provide direction. AI can automate workflows, but humans still need to decide what it should actually build. And one thing I've noticed is that AI massively amplifies capable people. If you already know how to think clearly, problem solve, and communicate well, AI will dramatically increase your effectiveness. But if you're someone who only knows how to follow processes that are repetitive, and you don't understand the bigger picture, then you're far more exposed to automation. The valuable people in the future won't be the ones competing against AI. They'll be the ones directing it, the ones designing systems around it, and the ones combining technical tools with human judgment. And honestly, that's why I think this shift is so scary, but super exciting at the same time. So the obvious question becomes, what do you actually do about this? How do you future-proof yourself in a world where AI is automating more and more digital work every single year? Firstly, you're going to stop thinking about AI as something completely separate from your career. AI is becoming a part of the career landscape, no matter what industry you're in. And the earlier you start learning about how to use these tools, the bigger advantage you'll have over the next few years. Now, you don't need to become some elite machine learning engineer, but you should understand how AI tools work, how to use prompting effectively, how automations work, how workflows are designed, and how AI systems connect together. Even start learning tools like N8N, Claude Code, Airtable, and Notion AI, which can already put you ahead of a large percentage of the population. The second thing is to start building things. Don't just consume AI content endlessly. Actually experiment. Build small automations, personal tools, AI workflows, content systems, portfolios, and side projects, because practical experience is becoming incredibly valuable. And honestly, I think the people who move fastest during this transition period are going to have the most leverage over the next few years. The third thing is probably the most important, and that is to shift your mindset. For years, the education system taught people to memorize information and follow processes. But AI is getting better and better at both of those things. And now the real value comes from problem solving, adaptability, creativity, communication, system design, and making decisions. In other words, your ability to think is much more important than your ability to do. And I genuinely believe the people who adapt early to this shift won't just survive it, they'll massively benefit from it. Because every major technological shift creates disruptions, but they also create opportunities for the people who are willing to learn early. So no, I don't think AI will suddenly make humans obsolete, but I do think we're watching the beginning of a major restructuring of the skill economy. And the first jobs to be affected aren't necessarily the highly skilled ones. It's the beginner roles, the repetitive digital work, the entry-level tasks, the jobs that humans traditionally used to learn from. And this is why this shift feels so different, because it's not just changing the way how companies operate, it's changing the way how people actually build their careers. But at the same time, this is also the biggest opportunity we've seen in decades, because the people who learn this stuff early, the people who understand AI systems, and the people who learn how to combine human judgment with AI capabilities are going to become incredibly valuable. But I'm curious as to what you think. Do you think AI is going to eliminate beginner roles? Or do you think new roles are just going to replace them? Let me know down in the comments. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and you've learned something valuable, make sure to go down and tap that like button. Otherwise, if you want to learn the 5 skills that rule in 2026, go check out my video here. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel for more content. That's all from me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.